PDF.net is an AI native browser based PDF editor. PDFs that break when you try to edit them, contracts with clauses you need a law degree to understand, forms with 47 fields that make zero sense. You know what you need to do. The problem is actually doing it without wanting to throw your laptop. PDF.net fixes that. You open it in a tab, drop in your PDF, and you can just work. Let's say you get a PDF from a client or HR or landlord or whatever. Most of the time, you're not trying to reinvent the document, you just need to make a few changes and send it back. Editing is straightforward. If you need to fix something like a name, an address, a date, or a paragraph, you can just do that without ruining the whole doc. And it's not just the text. If you need to add an image like a logo, you can drop it right into the PDF where it belongs. Same with pages. If something is out of order, you can rearrange pages, move them around, or pull the ones you don't need. Instead of doing the whole print, sign, scan routine, you can just make PDF fillable. Put the signature field where it belongs, add a name field, a date field, and if you need a simple yes or no, add a checkbox. Now the doc comes back complete and nobody has to pretend they own a printer. And if you're signing it yourself, it's even easier. Add your signature once and reuse it whenever you need. And if you need the quick utility stuff, all the tools are there. Convert, merge, compress, protect, or unlock your documents when you need to. Sometimes the problem isn't editing. Sometimes it's that you're staring at a PDF and you're like, I don't even know what this means. That's where Ask AI comes in. So if you've got a long contract or a tax form or anything with dense language, you can ask things like, can you summarize this? What are the key points? What does this clause mean? What am I agreeing to here? It just helps you to understand it faster without jumping between tabs or copy pasting chunks of text into some other tools. PDF.net is also built like a workspace, so your documents don't just disappear the second you close a tab. You can organize everything in one place and come back to it later on your laptop, tablet, phone, whatever you are using. You can share a doc with a link or keep it private. And again, it's all browser based. No desktop clutter, no which version did I save, no installing updates. So that's PDF.net, a browser based PDF editor that keeps the whole flow simple. Edit, sign, add fields, ask AI when something is confusing, and keep your docs organized in one place.